Karagi wala to. Karagi mix. Teriyaki.
Sabi na? Yes, thanks. So we'll have the premium.
Premium?
Yeah. What do you want? Which one?
Can I please have the Wagyu beef? Premium Wagyu. And then the Wagyu non-premium as well.
Yep.
And premium Wagyu harami.
Yes.
And chicken karaage.
Yep.
Spicy chicken karaage. And can I please have a prawn?
Prawn, yep.
Yeah. And what else do you want
Rice.
left? And 2 rice,
Two
please.
rice.
Yep. And lettuce. And do you want anything else?
No. Palit tayo. Puti mo tingnan. There we go. Oh no. Thank you.
Hi, how are you?
Lagay mo pa. Where are we, love?
We're at this one.
Hey! Oh, fit check.
Uy,
Hey guys, so
hi guys.
fit check.
Uy. Uy, nagtiti.
Check. Ready na for apocalypse.
Zombie apocalypse.
Apocalypse.
What do you want?
What do they have? Brown sugar.
I just want the rest of
Excuse me. Ang gusto ko na. Ay, Yakult to. I wanna try that one.
it. Gonna try that.
Ayan na, kumuha na ng basket. Kami sa Miyu store. Ha? What? Thank you. Thank you. What? Malo? Puzzle.
That's too hard for them. That is a diary with an anak.
Very ano. What? What's up?
Oh, looks yummy. Ano? I'm gonna put some, but that's just not this one.
Huh? Oh. Ayun.
Ito yung sarap. Ito.
Yeah. Ano? Oh, kalat. Mimi.
Cotton candy naman.
Cotton candy?
Ano?
Anak mo. Ready?
Wow, okay.
Hi.
So cute.
Wet wipes.
Oh, loob.
Wet wipes.
Oh, bila ko sa atin dyan.
Oh, excuse me. Ito.
Hey, for $6.
Ganyan na.
Hindi ako sa mami nito. Don't fly.
Yan, tama. Violet. Purple. So how was the escape room experience, love?
Nakakatanga lang. Kasi this is our first time eh.
This was our first time doing it. So yun, kala namin yung talagang room siya na, di ba, yung may mga escape. Pero It's just room. Kasi yung inuna namin is the zombie apocalypse. So ang siste is kami, mga scientists doing test dun sa zombie na nakakulong dun sa metal box.
And we have to keep the zombie inside
Yeah.
the thing so that the virus doesn't spread around.
But yeah. Pero we got so close. We got so close. Apparently.
But then we ran out of time because it took a while for us to
Yeah.
figure out the first clue.
Oo.
Like it's actually hard because we don't have any idea on what we're gonna do.
It takes a while to get into it. Parang
yeah,
sa
like,
una, di ba?
yeah, like parang
Parang what's going on?
parang nagets lang namin all in all, like maybe mga
One third to two
yeah,
thirds.
like halos half na ng time namin na use namin. And then that's when we eventually realized, oh, so this is how it works.
So, apparently sabi nung babae, yung last puzzle na namin,
It's gonna be the last.
yun na yung last puzzle.
Pretty much the last.
Oo. Sayang parang pero yung pala yun. Yung time na yung sa electric, hindi na
Yeah.
natin, we didn't have. But yeah, all in all, it was fun. And then we will definitely try other more.
Yeah,
Siguro mas maganda yung kung marami kayo, kaya
yeah. I
apat
think,
kung
yeah.
hanggang Maganda rin siguro yung actual rooms.
Mm-mm.
Next time. Nakakain na muna kami. Hanap kami ng kakainan.
Yeah. We're gonna find some restaurant na okay kainan. I'm craving for like Asian resto, like Korean, Japanese, or not really Chinese, but more on Korean and Japanese.
Yeah. So worth it ba yung pagtakbo?
Worth it.
Kung sold sana.
Mas hiningal pa nga ako sa pagtakbo kaysa sa loob kasi I was expecting na kasi before we super close naman. Before we go here, I'm watching some escape rooms like Zombie Apocalypse on YouTube, and then I was expecting that it's gonna be the same, but it's not the same. It's just a small room, and then
Yeah, I feel like yung ganun is mas suitable siya kasi for us kasi beginners pa tayo. Feel like kung yung full setup na rooms baka hindi tayo nangalahati sa pag-solve ng puzzles.
Yeah. And the good thing about that is parang it's different kasi on that case you have to keep the zombie inside pero you don't need to diba usually the escape room is the pinaka yung ng escape room is dapat makaalis ka dun sa room na yun. Pero doon, you have to stay in your room to keep the zombie inside the thing. So,
So,
it's like a
Reverse.
reverse.
So it's reverse. Kailangan pa. So, we're back at the hotel. Kagandahan lang dito sa hotel is walking distance siya sa mga kainan. Uy! Ngayon, punta kami ni Lab dun sa kainan. Uy! May pa. Uy! Kinuha na ni Lord. So yun nga, as I was saying. Uy!
As I was saying a while ago, you know,
Okay, kinat kasi may dumaan. The introvert in us. So yun nga, as I was saying,
as we were saying a while ago,
yun nga sa kagandahan lang dun sa pinag-stayan namin is walking distance siya sa
Manila.
walking distance siya sa city life. Sa bar.
Walking distance siya sa mga near restaurants and convenience store. And
So, ayun.
stuff. Very convenient.
Dapat doon kami kakain sa sa High Street. Kaya lang, ang hirap kasi ng, ay, baka, baka mahal abutin ng parking. Kasi,
Yeah.
$8 na nga yung pinayaran namin agad. Ano.
Yeah.
So, we figured we'll just head back to
And
the
it's a
hotel.
and it's a long way. You know, like, cause you still need to, like, you need to find a parking lot, and then after that, you have to walk through the city, and then you need to walk again to find a good restaurant that, you know, you like.
Yeah, so,
But here, at least here, after eating, then we can just, you know, go straight to hotel and sleep.
yeah. So, we figured we'd head back to the hotel, park our car, ay, and then maglalakad na lang kami
And then
papunta
walk.
dito.
Yeah.
We'll have a look what's here to eat. Ay,
We have
For
two
dinner.
options in our mind. It's the juicy bao bao, but it depends because we saw earlier that there's like a long line. So we're not sure if it's still, if they're still open.
yeah.
Then the other one is just right next to them. It's a hot pot, but it's not really cold, and I'm wearing sweater, so I think I'm gonna be sweaty when I eat the hot pot. Hey, hot pot!
So, makiki-hotspot kami.
Oh, I think there's still a line in Chuse Bao Bao.
Is there?
Yep.
Ay, grabe na si Kuya.
Grabe si Kuya, pagod Kuya, paano pa kami? Taga Pinas na. Ay,
What about duck? Don't you love duck? Oh no.
there's
She
a lot of
loves
people
duck.
out there.
Uy.
Let's stop na.
So ito yung pila ngayon sa Juicy Bao Bao. You want ano ba? Are you craving for Siopaw? Siopaw yun, di ba? Bao Bao.
Yeah.
Tingnan natin sa hotpot. So ang haba ng pila. Oh, walang pila to. Dito walang pila. Tingnan natin. Hindi, I mean like
Ayun, merong spicy, merong tapos tayo yata maglalagay ng hot water. Ang laki ng bowl.
kaya nga. Kaya mo yan?
Ayaw ko.
Ayun eh.
Kuha tayo na to.
Aga. Yun nga, kukuha ng ano, tapos pinaka ng flavor, ay ng meat. Yeah. Isa lang muna siguro natin. Isa lang. Yun nga, kukuha ka daw ng items. Yeah. Ano yan?
Then pork. Beef and pork. Parang yung dry ice cream.
Yun raw. Tapos daw i-pick your items.
You want to?
Oh,
That's
duck.
Oh, that's not. That is.
Ay, di ba yan eh? Daily. Tama. May kangkong. May kangkong dito. Ay. Ang kulit ng robot. Cheese. egg. Ay, kuha kang corn din, love. Corn. Then here we have the... Ayoko na, no. It's too much. Ito lang ba? Ito pala yung isa. Choose your body. Choose your drink. Wait. Oh, may timbang pala yun. Natitimbang. May way in pala. Ayun. Yeah. Ako ka.
Halo-halo na to
Ginawa ano. Hipon, no? So, walang price dyan. Depende sa weight. O, di kumuha ka ng ano. Yeah. What's that?
Crab. Ay, octopus.
No, crab yan. Ngayon, parang okay na yun. Ano yun?
Ito.
Ah.
Fish cake.
Ay, ito. Eh, wala tayong noodles.
Ito lang. You want the instant?
Yeah. Ito, fish, ay lobster ball lang. Lobster ball. Mahal eh.
Huh? Ito?
Yeah. Ano pa? Kuha ka na octopus. Isa lang octopus kinuha mo. Takong. Yun na lang. Ako. Isa lang. Baka bigat na yan.
Tsaka at least dito, pag sinabi ko, makakabili sila ng walang ano.
Ano mo?
Makakabili sila ng walang... Makakabili sila ng walang ano.
Gulay.
Gulay.
Parang sawahin sa pagpili. Parang gulit. Parang sarap pa parang. Pero yung magdadala naman din yung flavor. Thank you. Next ko pa.
Oh, it's actually jelly.
Uy! Uy! Sino ka dyan? So ito yung hotel. Ay, nasa yung card.